afternoon. We are on the second day of India Warehousing Show 2026 and currently we are at BGR NEO stall. We are having with us Mr. Gnana Prakash S, Executive Director for BGR NEO. So how are you, Gnana sir?
Great, good going.
So how are you getting traction on the first 2 days of India Warehousing Show 2026 sir?
It was good, more than expected. The first day was a very good starting day. We had a good turnaround of the customers, and even second day it is doubled actually, and we could able to get more inquiries, and people are so much interested, customers, because we show the real world problem solving automation here. We could see a good customer coming into our stall.
So sir, how do you see the evolution of warehousing automation industry in India and how the whole industry, the pharma, the food and others are adopting it, sir?
See, warehousing automation solutions are going to become essential going forward. As you see today, when I am interacting with most of the customers facing problems in terms of labor and the wages differences across the regions, and also the quick delivery to the end customer, right? So where the truck coming in and going out time is going to get reduced, and other than that, when the man handles the parts and the packages, it is getting damaged, a lot of pilferages are happening. So we are going to solve all these problems using this automation.
So sir, coming on to the solutions which you provide to different industries in warehouse automation, will be first coming to the palletizing and depalletizing solutions which you have. So what types of palletizing and depalletizing solutions are you currently providing to the various industries, sir?
Yeah, we provide palletizing, depalletizing solutions for various type of packaging, whether it is a box or it is a sacked bag, or it is a small bags, or it is a primary, secondary packing, and then the palletizing, depalletizing using cobots and robots, where we give solutions across industries to handle all type of packages. We have an extensive design team who works on the solution based on the weight and the package size. They are going to design the end EOAT, we call it as end of form technology. We design and then prove it for the various packagings.
So coming on to the next question which we have for the conveyor automation, how do you see the adoption of conveyor automation across the industry, and is India prepared to have such technologies?
Yes, very much. Compared to, I can see from the last 5 years, we have developed a lot as India in conveyor solutions, where I could see from the small, simple chain roller conveyors to the flexible conveyors and belt conveyors, and a lot of belt technologies which suitable for food industries and other industries has come up. EMS, electronics manufacturing industries, different belts has to come, and we have own technologies to built in the various type of conveyors, and it is very much improved over the past 5 years, I can say.
So coming on to the next one, sir, BGR NEO is also providing end-of-line packaging solutions to different industries. So what types of secondary packaging and the primary packaging solutions are you providing?
Yeah, we provided several customers on the primary packaging, where it is basically a paint manufacturing industries we have done, and few other industries we have worked on the primary packaging. Of course, food industry we have not touched so far on the primary packaging, whereas the secondary and tertiary packing and end-of-line palletizing we have touched upon FMCG industries, and then we do also after palletizing moving on to the conveyors and loading onto the truck, and from truck unloading from the truck to the storage system we have provided solutions.
So coming on to the automated truck loading system which we are currently embracing in India, it's very new to the Indian industries. So how do you see the adoption of these technologies by the industries across the domain, and do you see the feasibility of such automated systems in across the industry?
Yeah, well, definitely there is a feasibility. Of course, we could see it, Europe and other countries are moved fast in this. In India, we have started. We have also started implementing in one of the customers. But as we see the kind of shortages and the kind of speed expected in the market, there is a forced way, like we have to adapt to go to the truck loading automation. And probably in India there is a challenge on the various types of trucks. We have to still innovate to adapt to that trucks. But I feel we BGR NEO kind of people, we are here to solve those problems as well, and we could able to evolve in coming years as I see.
So when we are coming to the sustainability plank, a lot of initiatives has been taken across the industry, be it food, be it pharma, or be it steel industry. Everywhere, everyone is talking about the sustainability, and cutting the carbon footprint is one of the initiatives which everyone is talking about, because it is reducing the operation cost by reducing the electricity bill and all. So what types of initiatives does BGR NEO have for cutting the electricity consumption in their products?
So one is while sizing the engineering, we call it as right sizing. We don't over engineer or we don't under engineer. We calculate the energy while we select the parts, and wherever possible we try to use electric cylinders or electric solutions, and wherever less pneumatics is what one of the focus we have in our design solution. And the second thing is we see there is a kind of energy calculation in our standard procedure. It is available. We represent to customer this is the energy it is going to consume, and is it better than what is provided by my competitor or my own solution what I have given earlier. I see every time and often we revisit those kind of energy based solutions, and we provide modify and upgrade our systems as well accordingly.
So coming on to the policy segments, which we have currently, we are more focusing on the food processing and beverage industry. So how do you see the government's policies helping these industries to just grow with a massive CAGR?
So it is a very good support what we get from government, and there are a lot of schemes available for us to work with while there is a startup or is a growing company, and where there is a specific focus in Make in India is helping us a lot. And also there is a global thinking towards our Prime Minister insists about make on your own, like whatever the segment you, whether it is a food or pharma or whether it is a manufacturing, try to think for your own solutions. So where it is going to helpful for us, and it is also as we being from the Tamil Nadu, the new government has come up, and they also focus a lot on these kind of indigenized solutions. We are much grateful with their support, and policies is supporting us a lot to grow in a short span.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this candid interview, and hopefully you will be getting more traction on the rest of the days in India warehousing.
Thank you so much.
Okay.